Did you know that not removing dragon fruit flower can harm your fruit actually? Rain, bugs and fungus can get inside and make your fruit rot. Inside this video, I will show you the best time to cut flower, how to cut it safely, what to spray to protect your fruit. Why remove the flower? After pollination, the dragon fruit flower dries in 1 to 3 days. If pollination is successful, a small fruit starts growing under the flower. But if you don't remove the flower, water can stay inside it. This trapped water can cause fungus, rot, and let bugs damage your fruit. When to remove the flower? The best time to remove the flower is 3 to 5 days after pollination. This time the flower will be dry and small fruit will be growing well. How to cut the flower? Step by step. Use a clean scissor or cutter. Always clean the cutter with alcohol or hot water before cutting to avoid infection. Or just use your hand to gently remove the petals. Hold the dry flower gently. Press it softly up and down, left and right to loosen it. Then carefully pull out the petals part without breaking the ovary. Remove only the dry petal where they meet the fruit. Don't cut the green fruit or twist the flower. This right away can protect the fruit. What to spray after cutting? After cutting, spray a little neem oil. If the weather is very dry, you can also use a light fungicide spray. Why this is important? This small step helps your fruit grow better. It keeps the fruit dry, clean and safe from pests and fungus. Also, it stops ants and other bugs from damaging your fruit. Keeping your garden beautiful, your fruit will grow bigger and healthier. If you spray organic micronutrient, now your fruit size will increase even more. This is very important during the rainy season. Rainwater trapped inside the flower can cause fast rotting. Thanks for watching. To learn more about growing dragon fruit, click the I button on the screen to watch more dragon fruit tips.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more useful gardening tips. Thanks for watching our video. See you next time. Thank you.